InVideo AI tutorial. Turn text into engaging videos with your iPhone. Have you ever dreamt of creating captivating video content but felt overwhelmed by the scripting, editing, and production process? InVideo AI steps in as a revolutionary iPhone app, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to transform text into high-quality videos in a flash. This comprehensive tutorial delves into the app's functionalities, empowering you to craft professional-looking videos directly from your phone. Step 1. Download and launch InVideo AI. The journey begins by acquiring the InVideo AI app. Head to the App Store and search for InVideo AI. Once located, click the Install button to download the app onto your iPhone. Alternatively, you can find a download link conveniently provided in the video description below. InVideo AI also offers web-based accessibility, allowing you to seamlessly transition between working on your phone and computer. Step 2. Craft a compelling prompt, the foundation of your video. The magic of InVideo AI lies in its ability to generate videos based on user-provided prompts. Think of a prompt as a detailed instruction manual for the AI, outlining the essence of your video. To access the prompt creation section, launch the InVideo AI app and select the Create an AI video option. The following tips will guide you in crafting an effective prompt. Specificity is key. The more detailed your prompt, the better the AI can understand your vision and translate it into a compelling video. Consider factors like video length, target audience, desired tone, informative, humorous, etc., and background music. Utilize available resources. InVideo AI offers helpful prompts for various video formats, such as YouTube explainers. These prompts provide a solid foundation, prompting you to define details like video duration, voiceover style, and stock footage preferences. Refine your prompt. Remember, your initial prompt is a starting point. Feel free to go back and edit it as needed to achieve your desired video outcome. Step 3. Generate your video. Witness the power of AI. Once you've crafted a stellar prompt, it's time to witness the power of InVideo AI in action. Click the Generate Video button within the app. The AI will analyze your prompt and begin generating a video based on your specifications. This process might take a few moments, but the anticipation will surely be worth it. Step 4. Preview and confirm. Fine-tuning your video. The AI-generated video will appear within the app, ready for your review. Click the play icon to preview the video and assess its alignment with your vision. InVideo AI provides confirmation options, allowing you to verify aspects like target audience and video platform, e.g., YouTube. If everything aligns with your initial concept, proceed to the next step. Step 5. Personalize your masterpiece, refining content and adding flair. While the AI-generated video serves as a solid foundation, you have complete creative control to personalize it further. Here's how you can elevate your video to the next level. Edit the script, access the script editing function within the app, and modify the content to perfectly match your message. Infuse your unique voice and personality to make the video truly resonate with your audience. Incorporate your footage. InVideo AI offers the option to integrate your personal video footage, adding a touch of authenticity and connecting with viewers on a more personal level. Subtitles for accessibility. Consider including subtitles to enhance accessibility and cater to viewers who might have the volume muted. InVideo AI allows you to seamlessly add subtitles to your video.